You're standing at the pump, filling your car on a quiet Tuesday morning. Suddenly, the sky tears open. A rock the size of a city is plummeting toward you at 40,000 miles per hour. An object roughly that size struck Mexico 66 million years ago. It stands as a massive milestone in a long history of collisions that redirected the path of life on Earth. Before we uncover those deeper connections, let me know in the comments, what city are you watching this from? Earth resides in a cosmic shooting gallery. Over billions of years, our planet has endured brutal bombardments. Yet shifting tectonic plates, rising oceans, and relentless erosion have largely concealed these massive impact scars. Do you think a major meteor will strike Earth in your lifetime? Type yes or no in the comments. Today, we are counting down the 15 largest impacts in Earth's history, ranking them by their physical scale and their lasting influence on modern geography, global wealth, and the history of life. Starting our countdown from spots 15 to 6, we find structures like the Kara crater in Russia and Australia's Gosses Bluff. These colossal impacts released energy comparable to millions of atomic bombs, leaving deep indentations in the Earth's crust. Take spot 15, the Pingualuit crater. Located in the remote tundra of northern Quebec, this 1.4-million-year-old depression is perfectly circular. Isolated from river networks, it holds some of the purest freshwater in North America. Other craters are so large and heavily eroded that humanity has built cities directly on top of them. The town of Nordlingen in Germany is nestled entirely within an ancient impact basin. These visible geographic landmarks are small compared to the top 5 on our list, collisions that generated substantial modern fortunes. At spot number 5 is Canada's Manicouagan crater. Formed 214 million years ago, this site is now a prominent ring-shaped lake known as the Eye of Quebec. This geographic feature provides more than just a landmark. It serves as a massive reservoir that generates hydroelectric power for millions of people across the province. Spot number 4 takes us to the Papagai crater in Russia. 35 million years ago, an asteroid slammed into a graphite deposit here with unimaginable force. The heat of that collision instantly forged trillions of carats of industrial diamonds. Are diamonds your favorite gemstone? Type yes or no in the comments. At spot number 3 is the Sudbury Basin in Ontario. When a 10-mile wide rock hit this area 1.85 billion years ago, it cracked the crust and allowed mineral-rich magma to well up and cool into massive deposits of nickel and copper. This single site once supplied 80% of the world's nickel. The geology here is so distinctly alien that NASA used the basin as a training ground for Apollo astronauts heading to the moon. Would you ever want to travel into space like those astronauts? Drop a yes or no. These massive impacts functioned as giant cosmic excavators, bringing deep Earth wealth to the surface to support our modern human industry. Spot number 2 is the Vredefort crater in South Africa. At over 2 billion years old, it is the largest confirmed impact structure on the planet. Originally 190 miles wide, the energy from this strike deformed the landscape and dragged billion-dollar gold reefs from deep within the Earth up to the surface. Do you own anything made of real gold? Let me know with a yes or no. Geologists identify this as a hypervelocity strike because of shatter cones, unique radiating fractures in the rock that only form under the extreme shock of an asteroid collision. These ancient sites provided the mineral wealth for our industrial world. Our final impact, however, transformed the biological landscape of the entire planet. Number 1 is the Chicxulub crater in Mexico. This monster struck the Gulf of Mexico 66 million years ago. The immediate devastation included mega tsunamis that swept across the oceans, while vaporized rock thrown into the atmosphere blocked out the sun. This led to a years-long impact winter. Global food chains collapsed, causing the extinction of 75% of life on Earth, including the non-avian dinosaurs. When these dominant reptiles were removed from the ecosystem, the biological landscape changed. Tiny surviving mammals suddenly had the space and resources to expand. These small mammals diversified into new forms, eventually leading to the emergence of the human species. The devastation of the Cretaceous period left the planet with empty ecological niches. This shift in the biosphere allowed mammals to expand, eventually producing the civilization we inhabit today. our solar system remains crowded with massive objects tracing their own paths. Geologically speaking, another major collision is inevitable. Are we prepared for the next asteroid strike? Type yes or no. Share this video with your family to show them what is hiding beneath their feet. Subscribe now and click the on-screen video to keep exploring with us. The very ground we walk on was shaped by terrifying cosmic forces, forces that could return at any moment.